winning. So now it ain't even gonna take 45 minutes on this one. I'm gonna have this done in like 25 minutes now. Cause I was giving them a little extra time. You know, sometimes it take them like 10 to bring it out. Not today. Not today. Hey, bro, do you be noticing some illegal immigrants and not doing shopping orders?
Not that I know of. I don't think so.
Good.
But I really be in the back though, so I don't really be seeing people out there like that.
Oh, okay. I'm keeping.
They had some in here?
I think so, but you know what? We're gonna do some investigation. So you know we're gonna figure it all out. So my Walmart.
How would that work though? Cause they gotta sign up through Spark, don't they?
Bruh, they don't care about none of that.
Oh, really?
Bruh, they don't care about none of that. Look,
Damn.
they got people selling accounts and everything, bruh. They give them a green card and a Spark account at the same time.
Damn.
They say, here, you take this and you take this Spark account. Go work. I swear. You ain't never heard of Jessica? Yeah, man. Jessica be up here getting all the orders, man. They not playing.
Is that one of the what they be filling all the orders?
Yeah, her name Jessica.
How she be taking them all?
I don't know, bro. She got a software or something, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man. They don't play. They got all types of engineers and everything. Yeah, they not playing, bro. They got a whole team. They got a team, bro. I think they might be hiring shit. I might just apply shit for real because they getting money. They getting money. Real shit. They getting money. I might have to apply. The manager, he just sit in the parking lot. He don't even do nothing.
Not that I know of. I don't really be out here like that, so I don't really be messing with it. I be messing with the online stuff that be shipping out and shit.
I'm hip, man. I appreciate you, bro. Yeah, man. You can't stop them, so it is what it is, right, man. Let me see where we going with this one. Oh yeah, 2-mile delivery distance total on all of this. We good. New. Feel better? You happy now? You should be ashamed of yourself. Bro, I swear. Maybe tripping. That's why I got the wagon, man. I swear. That's why I got the wagon.
All right, man. Stay safe, man.
I appreciate you, bro. Team Light Skin. Let's go. Oh, shit. He heard that. He wasn't supposed to hear that. Hey, man. My kid's light skin, bro.
You said what?
My kid's light skin, man. So I'm Team Light Skin. I'm just letting you know. All right, y'all. Y'all the best. All right. Shout out to all the yellow people out there. We love y'all. All 3 of my kids yellow. All right, let's get this shit dropped off, boy. My car is heavy as hell. Did y'all feel all them waters and Gatorades they threw back there? Thirsty ass people out here in Wood River. What's wrong with them? All right, hold on. Let's get our navigation correlation to our destination all the way together. Okay. You gotta be careful with that Walmart Spark GPS, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, like, if you navigate right from the Spark app, that mug will send you like 4-5 houses down for real. Like, you will straight up be at the wrong spot, and then you be done unloaded all the groceries. Double check that address before you unload them groceries, because God forbid they have a couple cases of water, a couple packs of Gatorade, you know, milk, all types of shit. And now you gotta take that shit 3-4 houses down. Why? Because you relied on the navigation. Don't rely on the navigation. You open up Google Maps, into that address manually yourself. That way, you don't gotta waste 5-10 minutes of your life every time they navigate you to the neighbor's house. Motherfucker, you be unloading. Motherfucker come outside like, oh, I think that's for down here. Yeah. Don't trust that navigation, man. Have you all over the place. Shout out to the 91 in the box, man. Anybody asks for a shout out, you will be blocked. I'm not having none of it today. Today is not a shout out day. If I shout you out, it's out of the kindness of my heart, not because you asked me to. Now that we got that out the way, let's proceed with the proceedings. Hold on, I was supposed to flip the camera right then, man. This shit, right? We gotta be on point. You know what I'm saying? That's why I need somebody on the 1s and 2s. That way, I can just talk about what I want to talk about. But I'm over here working the 1s and 2s. Wow, nah. First order going right around the corner. I mean, I literally could have threw this shit at their house from Walmart. We're going right over here. I could have threw this motherfucker. I could have threw this